Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to do some house cleaning. So I have my hair pulled back and I did put on some makeup just so I don't look like I have the flu, but there's so much going on in the world right now that we can't control. But what we can control is what happens in our own houses. So today I am choosing to be proactive and clean and get my home in order so I feel calmer and it gives me a little bit of control, even though everything outside of these walls is nothing that I can change. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to clean the upstairs today, and I hope you'll stay with me. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification, leave me some comments, and let's jump right into this video. I'm starting in our master bedroom, and I'm starting by making the bed for two reasons. First of all, if I make it, I won't get back into it. And secondly, if I start the bed, our master bedroom is at the back of the house. So if I start at the back of the house and work forward, I don't stop until I'm done. But if I start at the front of the house and work back, I will often stop before we get to the master bedroom and think I'll get to that later. So if I start in the master bedroom, I am more proactive and get further in my cleaning routine. Are you guys like that? Do you need to start in a certain place? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.
We can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry.
The amount of stuff that piles up on my end table is amazing. Mismatched socks, medicine, and as always, books. There are always books all over my house. Are you guys big readers? If so, who's your favorite author? Let me know.
Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
And now the master bedroom is cleaned up. I love the way this room looks when it's all done and tidy. It's warm, it's inviting, it's comfortable, it's not too overcrowded. I absolutely love it. But now it's time to clean the master bathroom. Not my favorite chore.
Back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road in an old Mustang, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back, just like a boomerang, just like a boomerang, just like a boomerang. I keep on spinning like a boomerang.
The benefit of having the world's tiniest master bathroom is it takes no time to clean because, let's face it, it can't really get that dirty to begin with.
Never thought you could. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road in an old Mustang,
We just need to find the bed to make this into the perfect guest bedroom, but that's on hold for the time being. And now we're moving into my office where I work all day, every day at my full-time day job. So this room is pretty trashed, but we're gonna get it all cleaned up. Do you guys have a home office? Are you working at your kitchen table during all of this? Tell me how you're handling this shelter in place or quarantine situation that so many of us find ourselves in.
Just like a boomerang, I keep on spinning for you. Like a boomerang, I keep on spinning like a boomerang. I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your hair